Now on Channel 4, it is this year's live coverage of the Purge. Channel 4 wishes those participating a successful cleanse, and for those seeking shelter, a safe evening. Good luck. This is Channel 4. We are hosting an emergency broadcast to all our viewers to inform them that the Purge is about to begin. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. You are all advised to barricade all doors and windows and any other entrances in your home. Make sure you are armed at all times and are constantly monitoring the situation on any channels doing a live coverage of the Purge. However, there are some rules to the Purge to any people releasing the beast for the first time. Weapons of Class 1 to 3 are allowed to be used during the Purge. However, weapons of Class 4 and above are restricted. Politicians, the Prime Minister, the royal family, and any other people with an important role are not allowed to be harmed. If you attempt to kill or successfully murder an important figure, you will be put on death row. The death penalty has been reintroduced since 2001, when the very first annual Purge began to stop very important politicians and figures from getting hurt. You will also get put on death row if you destroy or vandalise any history landmarks such as Buckingham Palace, Big Ben and the London Eye. Channel 4, along with other channels, will broadcast footage of the Purge for the next 12 hours. If you would like to watch our normal programming, please switch to Channel 4+1. We hope you all survive the Purge. God save the Queen and us all.